Looking for LG headphones gift ideas for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, and choose your favorite one. Number 1. Enjoy a better sound experience on the go with the newly designed LG Tone Pro. Featuring advanced quad-layer speaker technology for outstanding, well-balanced sound quality. Plus, with dual MEMS microphones, it has never been easier to enjoy crisp and clear calls by LG. Number 2, the LG Tone Infinim is the premium Bluetooth wireless headset engineered for true audiophiles. Advanced features create an audio experience targeted to achieve the highest standard of listening. From music to phone calls to multimedia and everything in between, another great product by LG. Number 3, the LG Tone Ultra Plus Bluetooth stereo headset offers powerful audio with sophisticated style. This wireless headset features an around-the-neck, retractable earbud design with passive noise cancellation that offers a personalized fit and compact convenience. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.